So this is the Wonder Pedi Quick Fix Callus Remover, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. I'm a big believer in self-care and really taking care of your body, and that includes your feet. I'm a dancer, so I do get a lot of calluses on my feet, so I'm really excited to show you how well this one works. One of the reasons I prefer this over like the stone pumice one that just spins in circles is that those spit dead skin all over the place, and that's gross. And I'm super ticklish actually, so those just either tickle my feet or they hurt my feet. There's no in between. I hate it. Because if you leave it on too long, it'll burn your feet. So this one just gently scrapes the calluses. And also I have more control over this. It's not electric and spinning. It's not like an electronic. So it's just, I'm controlling it. So I wanted to thank Wonder Pedi for sending this one to me to review. I really, really appreciate it. It's super easy to use. All you do is you just spray your feet, and then you start scrubbing slowly using this foot file. And you'll just use the soft side. There's a soft side and kind of a rougher side. So use the soft side to remove the residual skin cells, and then wash your feet with water or a wet cloth. I usually just jump in the bathtub and wash my feet that way. And then you can just remove the calluses super quick. Super, super quick. The Wonder Pedi stainless steel double-sided file gently and effectively buffs away dry skin and smooths out those rough patches. So once you've treated your feet, I highly recommend putting on some really good foot lotion. Wonder Pedi has some, and some socks to lock in that moisture. And it's also really a great treatment to do right before bed, because then you're not on your feet and you can give them some time to heal. So if you think hiding ugly feet in handsome shoes will solve your foot problems, not so fast. Before you hit that pool this summer, make sure your toes look their best by resolving any stubborn foot problems. Achieve silky smooth feet in less than 3 minutes with the Wonder Pedi pedicure kit, featuring an exfoliating foot softener mist and stainless file to remove those calluses. And get your feet pretty.